This, for us, is a learning experience. Low cost entry point, unlike the other machines where we've spent millions of bucks to get into them. This was working up until a month ago when the previous owner shut the business. He had no one to take the business over. So this is classic, right? What's happening now in manufacturing, baby boomers or older who are in manufacturing, they've just been doing the same work that they've always done and getting paid reasonably well and they're comfortable and stuff. But no one's been coming into the industry to take over from them. Some of them have family members that are coming in and trying to do it in a different way using technology and stuff, which is great. But most of them are actually just shutting up shop, literally just selling off the equipment and they're just leasing out the premises and living their life. First of all, manufacturing has had a bad rap because it's seen dirty, dark and dingy. But secondly, this closed-mindedness about, hey, I'm not going to share my knowledge because it's my IP and it's my way of doing things, it's my livelihood. If more people shared the knowledge that they had, we would have a more vibrant industry, which means that we would probably have more opportunities and probably be paid better for it. Why not do better? You know what I mean? So we can all benefit. There's only a couple companies in Perth that advertise for this stuff. And when you go in there, they don't want to take you out to the workshop, they don't want to share any information. I want to know, when I make my cranio design, how do I improve it so that it can be injection molded? If I'm just going to give you some designs, I'm not getting any feedback, I might as well give you the designs in China. And then that's not facilitating what I want from this, which is so our kids have got a better industry to work with, you know? It's silly, it's crazy. Like, there's people out there doing cool like this all the time. Plastics industry has been around since what, 1950s?
It's a black box still.
It's not a black box. That's what it's a science, right? The owner of this machine, he sold the equipment off. He'd be happy to come in here and help us to get it up and running and all that sort of stuff. Yeah, it's wicked. So that's what we need. We need more of that. It's sad that the industry has gone down this path of the lazy economy, unfortunately. From what I've been told by a number of people, you know, the shipping stuff off to China, if you're doing it from a bean counting accounts point of view, the numbers look good, but you lose all of the knowledge base that's around why you're doing that, you know what I mean? For all intents and purposes, the people that I've seen offshore stuff, majority of people are reshoring it for the reason of improving knowledge and being able to be agile and create new products and things like that. That's what these machines are about. These machines are about learning as quickly as we possibly can, even if we put some simple molds in there that just give us some widgets that we can, essentially business cards or whatever, you know? Let's learn because we have to do something. CNC machining the housings in low volumes is awesome for now. It's going to get us working products and we'll be able to get things out in the market. And we've got margin even with CNCing stuff. But when we do this, we learn the next phase and we can then decrease the cost to the customer. There's reason behind all this. The selection of all the machines that we've made was always with having about 100-ton machine in-house, which could do basically 1 Cranio Pro or 2 light top hats. This 50-ton machine will be on the borderline of doing a Cranio Pro top hat, but we can redesign it so that it's a bit thinner or whatever to be able to do that. It's just one at a time, yeah. But with our new other products, with the personal protection device for Cranio, we might do 3 or 4 impressions in the mold, or this small machine, if we can get it up and running, we'll be able to do precision molding of those small pieces. So yeah, it's gonna be fun.